Test 1, 2, 3. Mic check, because you're going to be looking that way. Ahoy, shipmates! Coming at you live from the Carnival Valor. Room number 9246. Right?
This is recorded, not live.
This is recorded, not live. We're recording this live. Really quick, we wanted to give you some of our favorite cruise essentials. This is going to be really quick, and it's just a couple of basic things that some people may already know about. Some people, it may be their first time cruise, but these are the things that we would recommend that you bring on a cruise. Starting with a first aid kit, but most importantly, antacids. Some cruises, the food is not the best. Sometimes you're eating a lot of stuff that you don't normally eat and it might not agree with you. You're gonna need antacids. They're really expensive down in the where you buy the medicine, so pack some antacids. We like this little first aid kit. We keep naproxen, Tums, duct tape, electrical tape, alcohol swabs, band-aids. We keep all kind of stuff in this first aid kit wherever we go, not just a cruise. It's just a good travel necessity, a travel essential to have with you. Any comments?
Yeah, no, always need a good first aid pack. Figure out what you need most typically. You know, if you're lactose intolerant, make sure you got some of that, what is it, lacto or
lactate or,
yeah.
Lactate is breast milk. What is lactate?
Lactate is, I think that's right.
Those of you that are lactose intolerant, you know what you need. Make sure you pack it before you get on the boat.
Because there's ice cream everywhere.
The next item that is a cruise essential, well, the next two items actually, right behind us. This lovely shower curtain that we found on clearance at Walmart. But not only the shower curtain, but these little magnetic hooks to hang said shower curtain. The walls of the ship are magnetic. So the hooks, let me grab one off this wall. These little hooks, and they stick right on the wall. What? It's like MagSafe for your cruise essentials. And when you're done with them, you screw the hook off of the magnet and they store properly. Shoe rack, and you see we've got all of the receipts of things that we've purchased on the trip. We've got plastic straws, we've got gum, we've got ginger chews. Ginger chews are good for motion sickness when you're on the boat. Aaron's got
Some new Tom Ford from Duty Free.
Duty Free in Cozumel. It's the white
Ombre leather.
Ombre leather. Oh, so good. But yeah, the shoe rack, the shoe organizer, you put all your stuff here. That way everything's in sight. You don't have to dig through cubbies. We just find this to be the most practical. Going along with the shoe organizer, Lysol spray, and Poo-Pourri, because again, you're eating all kind of weird stuff on the ship and your stomach's gonna be in a state. So you need some Lysol for the bathroom, you need some Poo-Pourri for the bathroom, but also you want to sanitize the surfaces when you come in. The staterooms are clean, wouldn't you agree?
Yeah, it's very clean.
The staterooms are clean. However, you know, sometimes the remote, you just give everything a once over with some Lysol. Travel size, that's good stuff. If you guys have a cruise essential item that we do not cover here, leave us a comment in the description down below. Let us know what your favorite cruise essential item is. The next item that we find to be greatly needed is a power bank. You always need a power bank, whether you're in the airport, going or coming from the cruise, on
your excursions, yeah, everywhere you can always use a power bank.
Hold please. Hey.
Still filming?
Yeah, you can come in.
Can I watch?
Yeah. It's like Mr. Rogers' Neighborhood. We have a guest.
Will you be my neighbor?
Welcome guys, this is our travel buddy Lee. Amber is up on the deck, she's sunbathing, so we're just running through some of our cruise essentials.
Essentials, gotta have essentials. Woof, I'm here.
Notice all the towel animals. Our stateroom attendant, Nordam, he's been fantastic. He brings us these little towel animals every day. Fun fact, we took a class this morning on how to fold and these towels and make these animals. So we'll leave a link in the we'll leave a link up here or in the description box down below to the vlog where we made an elephant and a puppy dog.
Yep.
It was really cute.
And they even have a book with all the animals in there showing you how to do it.
Yes, and of course we had to get the book.
It was $15, $14.95. Got the book on how to make the towel animals, so that'll be, it was kind of cool. And with a power bank, you also need the cords. Your USB, A, B, C, D, your lightning, your MagSafes, all your stuff. Make sure you've got cords. Ship clock, this little clock from Amazon. It was 12 bucks. We'll leave a link in the description down below. Ship time and local time are oftentimes 2 different times. So when we went to Mexico yesterday, it was an hour
behind. Or ahead.
Yeah.
On Eastern time.
Yeah. So when they say get back to the ship no later than 4:30, it could be 5:30. Just get a digital clock. You could use an analog wristwatch. We just find this little ship clock an essential. The next thing, laundry detergent. I know you're on vacation, you're on a cruise, you're not thinking about laundry and cleaning your clothes, but we don't like to travel with dirty laundry. Oftentimes, our future destinations are not always home. We may be leaving the cruise tomorrow, but we are not leaving for the house. We're actually going to another country, and we're gonna need to make sure that our laundry is done so that we're taking clean clothes for those additional days because we didn't pack but so many things. Right?
Right.
It's $3.50 to wash, $3.50 to dry. If you don't bring laundry detergent, you can purchase laundry detergent on your sign and sale card.
It's $2.
$2. Yep. And so laundry detergent, just do some laundry on those early mornings so that you're packing clean clothes when you leave the ship. Another thing we like to bring, Tide to go stick pins. You're eating a lot of weird food, you're drinking a lot of alcohol, you might throw up, you might dribble, I don't know. Sometimes you gotta get those stains out of your clothes before you then go and put them in the wash. Tide stick pins, cruise essential. Oh yeah, because you're on a cruise, you're gonna be doing lots of things. There's lots of paperwork that's gonna be handed out to you. A highlighter and a Sharpie. You're always gonna need something to write with. Something that's waterproof. Highlight the things you want to do. Here's a Sharpie to write down some notes. Excursion bag. You're going to be getting off the ship. You brought all your luggage on the ship, but you're going to be getting off the ship, taking an excursion, getting in the water, getting in the sand, going to the beach. You need a lightweight, packable bag to carry with you off the ship. Something that's fairly breathable, something that's not going to hold moisture for your wet bathing suits or your towels, or something that's easy to shake the sand out of. This particular bag is actually from, you guys know, our favorite bag company, Wandered. They make some fantastic bags. Agree?
Agreed. And this is such an essential that I had to borrow their bag. So it really does come in handy.
That brings up a point. If you're traveling to Mexico, you cannot use camouflage bags in Mexico because they think you're part of the military.
Shirts, shorts, nothing.
Nothing camouflage. But we'll leave some links in the description down below where you can pick up this Veer 18 liter. It packs up into itself. So it packs up into this tiny little bag. And so it takes up no space in your luggage. Because we have a small YouTube channel, we love and appreciate each and every one of you subscribers out there. But one thing that has been wildly popular on this cruise ship are business cards. We have passed out business cards. We attach them to these little Mardi Gras ducks that we have. And because everybody's hiding ducks on the cruise ship, we have put these ducks everywhere. And we've put our business cards on them. We're just leaving them everywhere. And people are picking them up. People are asking, you know, we're walking around the ship, vlogging, carrying the camera, and they're like, you're those YouTube guys. Oh, you're like a celebrity on the ship. And that makes us feel really good. So keep those comments coming. But if you've got a small business, or if you're a small YouTuber, get some business cards made. We'll leave a link up here for the vlog that we did back in November where we ordered these business cards from Vistaprint, and we got 3 miles per dollar for ordering business cards that have helped to broaden our subscriber base. So we appreciate everybody out there that has subscribed using our cards. Hopefully you found some of our ducks. Leave us a comment down below if you found any of our ducks in the ship. That'd be great to hear.
I can't believe you forgot the one thing I think is most essential.
Which is?
Dun dun dun.
Oh, I forgot those. They were on my list.
sun protection, guys.
Yes.
It's hot as crap here. The sun is killer. Make sure you bring some good sun protection. Not only sunscreen, bring a good hat.
We got a hat here. We've got solar cane for when the sunburn hurts. We've got 15.
Oh, your bronzer.
Because, you know, I'm pasty white, so I got to try to do something to get some tan on these legs. Suntan lotion, we've got some zinc, 50 zinc, and then aloe for that after sun moisture. So definitely some sun protection. Long sleeve Columbia shirts or UV protectant shirts. These things are lightweight.
Swear by them.
And actually, after you get them wet, keep you really cool.
Yes.
So these are, you know, when the sunscreen just doesn't cut it no more, get you some long sleeve UV protectant hoodies. In fact, if you have an American Airlines credit card or Delta credit card or Chase credit card, you can use the shopping portal to go to Belk.com, Macy's.com, Kohl's.com, and get 4, 5, 6 miles per dollar on these typically $40 to $50 shirts. So you're not only going to get some sun protection from the Columbia shirts, you're going to get some extra miles for your travel. So it's a win-win. Bring some Yetis, y'all. It's 2023. Get a Yeti. The cups on the ship are this big. Fill this with water.
Or liquor.
Or drinks. Whatever.
Coffee, because, I mean, the cups on the ship, it's like 2 swallows for me. I need a venti, you know, so here's a 20 ounce. Bring a Yeti. So, our cute little towel animal here. The other thing that's really important is to bring a European plug. So, you see this one is got USB A's on it, and it plugs into the 220, and there's a 110. So this converts 220 to 110. But then, for those of you that have a MacBook charger, you can bring your MacBook charger, and Apple sells the European doodad, and you can put that on there, and then that can also plug in to the 220. A strip, a power strip. So this one is from Rav Power, and you see I've got 2 USB-Cs, 2 USB-As, and that plugs straight in, and I can charge 4 things at once. So this, you know, some of you may need to charge electronics, phones, tablets, computers. You may need to plug in a CPAP machine. One of the things that we have in the room is a fan. Ask your stateroom attendant for a fan. If your room is too hot, they will get a fan for you. That's got to have a place to be plugged in, plus your electronics. So you're kind of fighting over plug real estate. So these things help to lessen that burden. And I think that's it. That's everything.
Yeah.
All right, guys, if you're enjoying the content, leave us a comment down below. We'd love to hear from you guys. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and hit the bell to get notified when we post new videos. YouTube is going to recommend that you watch this video next.
I didn't know where to point.